George Simon Ohm, the German physicist, is well known today for his formulation of a law. Ohm's law is the mathematical relationship between electric current, resistance and voltage. Ohm's law states that the voltage or potential difference between 2 points is directly proportional to the current or electricity passing through the resistance, and directly proportional to the resistance of the circuit. When describing voltage, current, and resistance, a common analogy is a water tank. In this analogy, charge is represented by the water amount, voltage is represented by the water pressure, and current is represented by the water flow. Application of Ohm's law, to determine the voltage, resistance, or current of an electric circuit. Ohm's law is not applicable to unilateral networks. Ohm's law is vitally important to describing electric circuits because it relates the voltage to the current, with the resistance value moderating the relationship between the two. Check our next video, circuits and its application. Please like and share the videos. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do it for enhanced your knowledge. Click on subscribe bell icon. Thank you.